Hello everyone. In this video we will be talking about the starliner news. So basically there was some strange noises that was being heard in the starliner during a conversation between the home base and the crew on the starliner. And what the verdict was in this situation, a pulsing sound from a speaker in the Boeing Starliner spacecraft heard by NASA astronaut Butch Wilmore, specifically, aboard the International Space Station, has stopped, said the agency in a statement. The feedback from the speaker was a result of an audio configuration between the space station and the Starliner. Some people in the comments were joking about this is what happens in some movies before an alien invasion occurs. So it was nothing serious, it was just the transmission of different information. And also, some of you asked me about the food, and I have now more information about the food situation. There was an interview with a former astronaut on the Today Show, and his answer was, yes, they do. Because when he was asked if the astronauts have enough food and supplies for an additional 6 months, Massimino responded, yes they do. Quote, they try to think of everything, he said. In referencing to NASA, quote, they do have extras up there, but they also have supply ships that go up there, and those supply ships can get packed pretty close to the launch time. So they do have deliveries coming there pretty often. So to answer everybody's question, they do have enough food, and they can bring them food up there with their supply ships. It's like a mini Star Wars situation or Star Trek. It's very sci-fi the way they do these things. And also the noise in the ship was nothing serious either. This concludes the update about the Starliner crisis. Comment your thoughts below, and thank you for watching.